I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming who at Socrates handles payments and what they require. Once verified, collect your ID, signed contract, invoice number, and any tax forms like W-9. Make sure to choose a payment method, etch, wire, or check, and note associated fees and expected timing. Initiate a clear request through their vendor portal or by email, include an itemized invoice and preferred payment details, and set a reasonable payment deadline so you can follow up if needed. Once your documents are ready, submit an itemized invoice with supporting receipts through Socrates vendor portal or the official payment email. After submission, confirm receipt and ask for payment timeline and reference number so you can track progress. If you don't see movement, follow up after 3 business days, again at 7, and escalate to the accounts payable manager if needed. While waiting, keep clear records of all communications and dates so you can respond quickly to any questions or audits. When funds arrive, immediately verify the amount, reference number, and payment method against your invoice. Reconcile the transaction in your ledger and issue a receipt to Socrates, update tax records, and close the invoice. If payment is late or partial, escalate by sending documented reminders and a clear statement of outstanding balance, and offer a short payment plan if appropriate. Troubleshooting tip: if communication stalls, assemble all proof of submission and prior messages, then request a formal review or mediation through Socrates vendor support or finance director.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.